New technology has transformed modern farming. Growing crops indoors in greenhouses and vertical farms can reduce the risk of plants being affected by weather, insects, and disease. However, ensuring optimal conditions for growth in an artificial environment creates new challenges. Maintaining a strictly controlled environment all year round requires careful monitoring of conditions. These conditions require the use of vast amounts of water and energy. Farm-to-fork strategies focus on making value chains fair, healthy, and sustainable now and in the future. From the growth stage to picking and processing, and on to packaging and logistics. There are opportunities across the entire fruits and vegetables production value chain to improve the sustainability, reliability, and safety of operations. ABB motors, drives, and PLCs can help to unlock an exciting range of advantages and benefits for operators working with greenhouses and vertical farms. Even small gains in efficiency can add up to large savings across large facilities. ABB's drive and PLC technology help to facilitate precision control of conditions while reducing energy and water requirements without compromising crop health. While ultra-premium efficiency IE5 SYN-RM motors and EC titanium motors run at a lower temperature for superior reliability and reduced downtime. Advanced PLC and drive technologies can ensure precision control even on high-speed processing lines while keeping waste to an absolute minimum. While food-safe motors allow easier cleaning of process machinery to help keep food products clean and safe to eat. ABB has a proven track record of delivering effective solutions right across the value chain, ensuring the sustainability, reliability, and safety of fruit and vegetable production processes. From farm to fork.